Here are the tools that you will require for the installation. Caulking gun, adhesive, putty knife, utility knife, screwdriver, measuring tape, acrylic latex caulking, pen, and a level. Make sure the surface area of the wall is smooth, flat, dry, and clean. Plan your design. Measure and mark vertically and horizontally the area of installation. Using a caulking gun, apply the instant grab adhesive along all the contact points on the back of the panels. Do not apply too much adhesive along the edges as it will bleed out when applied to the wall. Depending on your wall, start working from the middle down. The wall has one closed side, then start from the open side of the wall towards the closed side. Press the panels along all corners and edges to join to the surface of the wall. Be sure to level the first panel that has been applied to this wall. This will ensure the panels and seams will line up nicely. Using a plastic putty knife, wipe away any adhesive that has bled out after the application of each panel. If you happen to have an outlet on the wall, determine and measure points on the panel to cut out an opening for the outlet. You can purchase wood frame outlet extensions directly from our site. The outlet frame can be used to install wall panels around electrical outlets. Simply, just add a few dabs of construction adhesive along the back of the frame and fit over wall plate. Remember, measure twice, cut once. When you're finished installing the wall panels, just caulk the outside edges butting the panel and frame. After installation is complete, to fill in any wanted seam spacing, we recommend using acrylic latex caulking. Once that is finished, congratulations, your wall is now brought to life. You can either choose to leave as is or paint to any desirable colors. Panels can be painted with a brush or sprayer. Apply a seal primer and then a water-based paint. Thank you for choosing 3D Wall Concepts.